Come shopping with me at Hobby Lobby. Spring items are 40% off, and we're going to see what treasures we can find for Operation Christmas Child. And I have a special giveaway for you today, too.
Sweetie daily spreading the light.
These funny mustache whistles look like so much fun. And I really liked these building brick Easter eggs too. I love how they have a car and a truck and a helicopter. And for girls, a flower. And a cute little bunny. This puzzle cube could be fun. Oh, and I love this book. It has really nice pictures and would lay flat inside of a shoebox. I like that it tells the story in pictures. There were so many cute spring stuffies. All of them were so soft and sweet. I love the bunny's ears, and this lamb is probably my favorite. They have a large assortment of Easter eggs. I love the gamer Easter eggs and these bows. They would be great for themed shoeboxes. These little bunny and chick cars are adorable. They would be great for a 2 to 4-year-old. These bags were so bright and colorful, I just had to pick up some. These Easter egg poppets look like fun too. This necklace was so bright and colorful, and it has some pretty butterflies on it. These crayons would be great for pencil packs. They also had some really fun things in their summer line. These were not on sale, but it's something to keep an eye out for. They had so many cute crafts on sale. I love these foam craft kits that come with stickers and no glue is needed. They have some cute bugs for spring. And these spring dinosaurs are super cute. These scratch art designs are really pretty. They come in flower and butterflies, and there's 24 in a pack. This confetti sticker kit would be so much fun and no glue needed. And these pop-up animal set would be fun too. These chunky puzzles are great for the 2 to 4 age group. They're on the larger side, and they come in a variety of safari animals. These puzzles are a little bit smaller and they would fit better in a shoebox, and they are also really cute. This fidget caught my eye. I hadn't seen one like it before. I think this could be really fun for the 5 to 9 age group. And these little character decks, the Disney character decks, are so cute, and they would be really fun for a different theme box. Okay, I'm back from Hobby Lobby, and I found some really fun things, some Easter items, but also some things that would be good gifts for shoeboxes or filler projects. So I picked up a couple of these moon balls. These are the summer line, so they were not on sale because they're not a spring item. but they were just so much fun. I just wanted to get a couple. Then I found these really pretty sparkly Easter eggs that I think I'm going to use for Kelly Kids Easter egg filler challenge. Then I picked up a couple of these very cute little wooden rolling cars with a chick and a cute little bunny. I thought they were so sweet. And I picked up some of these egg poppets. A beaded caterpillar kit. Some of these very cute Easter bags. A set of necklaces. A Jesus Calms the Storm color wheel. Some slap bracelets that you can decorate. Just a really cute confetti shaker kit. Thought this looked like fun, and you don't need any glue. Then I bought some accessories. Just so cute. And then I did buy that spinner. I thought this would be really fun for a shoebox. I only found one of these stackable crayons, or I would have purchased more. I just think they're so cute. Got a scratch art set. Some bunny whistles. A God is Love door hanger craft kit. Some tattoos. And then I just love these Easter eggs, these bow Easter eggs. I think I'm going to use them for accessories for some of my girl boxes. Now I want to take a moment to say thank you. I'm so grateful for each of you who encourage and share your hearts here. I truly feel like I'm packing and serving alongside you. As I mentioned, I was able to purchase these shoebox gifts at a good price on sale, and I want to share the difference. So to celebrate our community, I would love to bless 2 of you with either this Easter chick or this lamb plush, and a small gift card for $10 to Hobby Lobby. If you would like to be entered in this giveaway, leave a comment below telling me your favorite item from my latest haul. You must be 18 years old or over and living within the continental United States to keep the shipping manageable. I'll be drawing a winner, and I'll announce the name in a video on Sunday, April 12th, and I'll contact you through your comment reply. If you enjoy this kind of content, I'd love to have you subscribe so you don't miss future packing ideas and giveaways. Well, dear friends, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for joining me. May God bless you and your shoebox ministry. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.